There we go. I had to click and I got a flash. Flashing. Alright, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. 53,000, 54,000, 55,000, 56,000, 1,000, 2,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, only 4, 1,000, only count to 4, 1,000, only count to 4, 1,000, only count to 4, 1,000. Alright, now it should be on enough to do this with the bitch. And I'm going to put it to hot. I put it to B last time and it poofed yoga fire at me, so. So I hear it, and what does that flash? I'm missing the flash in there, aren't I? So that is a 1, 2, 3. That's a triple pulse. LED strobe, 2 quick flashes, and a 3-second pause. Thermostat calling for heat, no faults. Okay, well last time it did the one. Oh shit. Last time it did. It sounded like it was working and getting the water hot. It did the 1 flash and 3-second pause, and then I moved it over, and then it started shooting fireballs at me. Well, within like 2 feet. LED strobe, 2 quick flashes, 3-second pause. I don't remember what the flash order was last time. I know I heard it kick in really hard, but I also set it higher. But when it happens, let's see if we can get this in frame. Yeah, the fireballs and all the dust bunnies. Whoa, nice, bitch. Okay, that is a thing for sure.